You're my Whai hunters. Scout's over there in the water. He's hunting for some. Hariata's hunting for some. If she falls out of the kayaks, you'll see them real close. This town up behind us is called Mangawhai, which means this is the water, the wharf area, the harbour of stingrays, of whai, Mangawhai. So we should see some. They're really well camouflaged and they're hard to see. So I'll give you a quick story about why the whai is flat. Rua te Pupuke, he's one of the sons of Tangaroa, in some stories anyway. He lost his son Manuruhi, went looking for him, couldn't find him, found out that his head had been cut off. So he went looking for revenge against Tangaroa. One of the other children of Tangaroa was Ikatere. And they used to sleep in their whare each night and come to the surface and play. Rua te Pupuke blocked off all the windows and doors, waited till the sun was up. All the kids tried to escape. And as they came past the door, he beat them with his patu. And one of those kids was Whai. And Whai got beaten so badly that his mouth and his eyes are on separate side of their body. So now when you see the stingray, his eyes are on top and his mouth is under the bottom. It's because Tangaroa killed one of Rua te Pupuke's sons, and Rua te Pupuke took revenge by beating all of the children of Tangaroa.
The whai swimming movement is a little bit different. The whai in itself is really powerful, but cruisy as. So you'll see that I'll use my arms in a motion that uses lots of power, but actually gains a bit of momentum, so I kind of cruise for a little bit. I use both my arms at the same time to mimic the big, I suppose you kind of liken them to wings as such of the whai. And also another thing that's important here is that I'm on my back, just like a whai. So the whai's eyes are on top of their head there, and it's kind of like you're going backwards just to emulate the whai.